Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss what is cloud identity, where we can use this service and what is the importance of using cloud identity in Google Admin Console. Cloud identity is Google's identity as a service platform that centrally manages users, groups and their respective access. So basically, cloud identity helps organization to maintain better control over the employees and also service accounts. So cloud identity is an unified identity access app and endpoint management platform. Cloud identity supports identity federation with external identity providers like Microsoft Entra ID, formerly it was known as Azure ID, and also other Active Directory XML based IDPs. So basically, cloud identity enables organization to use single sign-on for Google Cloud Platform, Google Workspace and third-party apps. And cloud identity also provides lifecycle management for users and groups across their connected systems. Cloud identity comes in two different editions. The first one is Cloud Identity Free. It is essential for IAM, that is Identity and Access Management capabilities, a basic version. And the next version is Cloud Identity Premium. So it adds mobile device management and also comes with enhanced security controls. So what is this cloud identity mainly used for? So it helps to enforce security policies that includes multi-factor authentication, password policies and device management. So with cloud identity, you will be able to easily integrate with Google Admin Console to centrally manage identity settings and their respective configurations. Now we will see this cloud identity with an example. When a new team member joins and starts using your Google Cloud platform, it is common to log into this Google Cloud console with a respective account. Let's assume there is no cloud identity tool or any sort of that. They will be using their Gmail account to log in and where they will be added to Google groups to collaborate with teammates who are in their similar roles. Although this approach seems very simple and it is also easy to start with, it can present challenges later because the team identities are not centrally managed. This can be problematic, right? For example, if someone leaves the organization, there will be not a centralized platform to disable or to remove their account from the Google group. They will still have access even after leaving the organizations. This is a very serious problem. And with this existing setup, there is no easy way to immediately remove a user access to the team's cloud resources. And that is where this tool called Cloud Identity helps organization to define policies and manage their users and groups using the Google Admin Consoles. So admins can log in and manage Google Cloud resources who have access and they can define policies to maintain it. So now keeping this picture in the mind, when someone leaves the organization, this particular tool, Cloud Identity, will help the administrator to use this Google Admin Console to disable their account and remove from the groups. This is very simple and easy to maintain and manage service accounts as well. So in short, with cloud identity, organizations can define policies and manage their users and their respective groups using this. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing what is quotas and limits in Google Cloud Platform. I'll see you there. Happy learning.